Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to discuss using Scanf to read not just a character array like a last video, but numbers. So let's get started. Okay, let's create our main function here. And within our main function, I'm going to declare some variables. The first one is going to be a float. We'll call that number 1. The second one is going to be an integer. We'll call that number 2. Okay. I'm going to print f to enter a number with a decimal. Okay, and I'll put a colon there, and let's put a semicolon at the end of this line, and I'll scan F, and then we'll do %F for float, and then we have to include this character here when we're not using a character array. I'll get more into that later on when we discuss pointers, but for right now, just know we have to keep this character. And so I'm going to write scan into number 1, and we'll put a semicolon there, and then I'll print F, and I'll say enter an integer, and put a semicolon there, and then we'll scan F, and we'll use %D because we're using an integer. Again, we have to put this symbol there, and then the variable number 2, and then I'm going to print F. You entered, and then %, and let's put it to 2 decimal places, so %2, and then F, and put a period, and then /n, and then let's do number 1, and then let's print F. You entered %D, we'll put a period and then a /n for a new line, and number 2, and we'll return 0. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Let's open our terminal, and let's compile this. So we're scanf with numbers, where we want to output scanf with numbers. There we go. And let's run this. Okay, enter a number with a decimal. Let's do 10.24532, and enter an integer. Let's do 22, and we'll hit enter. And it says you entered 10.25, so it rounded to 2 decimal places there, and you entered 22. Okay, so that's a little video on how you use scanf to read numbers. I hope you found this video interesting and you liked it, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow if you haven't done so already. I thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.